Hi there guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com, and this video is going to be a carry-on from the main GoStudio review and walkthrough that I did yesterday. If you want to see that walkthrough in full, there is a link in the description next to where it says full demo. So in this video, we're going to look specifically into the conferencing feature of GoStudio. So let's jump in. So as usual, what you're going to do if you haven't created an account yet, again, watch that full demo video that I made yesterday. But if you do have an account, you're just going to sign in as usual, and you'll see your basic GoStudio dashboard. So from the dashboard, you're going to go down to your projects, and we're going to create a new project. So I'm going to call this conference, and you can set it up landscape, portrait, and set up your thumbnail if you want one. So I'll just put a basic thumbnail there, and then we're going to go to create new project. So you go through these settings here, set up your microphone, ensure that your browser is able to access your microphone and camera. So we're going to join there. Next, we're going to get kind of a preview of what it will look like. You can adjust these settings, set your resolution, microphone, which camera you're using. So we're going to apply that, and we're going to go to Enter Studio. So what it's going to do is it's going to default to kind of my camera on the screen in scene 1 over here on the left. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete this. So we'll delete that. And I'm also going to delete the videos down the bottom here as well. Okay, because we're going to do this from scratch. So we have the scene here with absolutely nothing on it. So what we do is we come down to the bottom, because in order to have a conference, we need, I assume you want to have a conference with somebody. So we need 2 different people at least in the conference. So we're going to add ourselves first. So you come down to here and you go to add video, and we're going to add from camera. So it did do this at the beginning. It added us automatically, but I wanted to just show you how to do it from scratch. So we're going to apply those same settings, and we have essentially conference attendee number 1, which is me. Okay. Now we're going to add a second person, and the way we do that as the host of this live stream is we go to add, and not add from camera, not share screen, but we are going to invite guests to join. So I'm going to hit that, and what it will do, it will give you a public link or a personal link. Okay, so we're just going to do a public link, and we're going to copy that link, and I'm going to send it to invite our second guest. Now the second guest is of course myself, because I don't have any friends. So you'll see now on the phone how I'm logging in. So I've clicked the link on my phone, and then it's running me through a couple of settings. So it's saying, how do I want to adjust my phone? Then what resolution do I want? Do I want the front or rear camera? Do I want to flip it? So the left side of my face is the right side of my face. We've got our microphone on and off, and then we enter our names, and we're going to join. So then it will pop up, this guest wants to send video. Do you agree? So as the host on the desktop, I'm going to agree there. And then you'll see me number 2 down the bottom there. So now we have our 2 members of the conference. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're actually going to set up the conference. So we have everything we need. We have our guests, and so you come to the scene settings over here, and we're going to go down to add conference. Okay. So now we have our conference, and we're going to just add each of these attendees, including myself, to the conference. So we're going to add this person, and we're going to add this person, which is also me. And here we both are, Chris 1 and Chris 2. So over here you have your conference settings. So we can, have one person talking if you want them to be the focus. So you can adjust all of this. We can have 2 people, 3 people. So that will adjust sizing automatically. We can have a main person, and then the 2 extras kind of on the side there. If you want to, for example, switch to one person every time that person talks, and you're thinking, well, how do I switch to this person, the second Chris on the phone? What if I want them to be the main screen like that? What you have here is roles. So we have our host, which is this one here on the left, and then we have our guest. Now you can move the guest up to the top, and then the guest kind of becomes the primary speaker, if you like. So then if we hit on the right there, if we hit just one speaker, or the main speaker here on that 4th setting, it will make it will make the guest, or in this case Chris number 2, the main speaker, if you like. So then you can just click this up arrow in the bottom corner here and change who is the main speaker. So there are a couple other settings you can do here with sizing, adjustments. We can do transparency here. Okay, we can display the network statistics. You can see these green bars there. If you don't like that, you can turn those off. And if at any moment you want to remove somebody, simply remove and remove. And that's how you set up a basic conference using GoStudio. All right, guys, so I hope you found some value in this. Now, again, if you haven't watched the full demo and walkthrough of this amazing platform, GoStudio, do go to the link in the description where it says full demo. And I'd recommend you definitely watch that, especially if you want to start live streaming and using a platform that, for me, is really great. Also, if you found value in this video, drop a like, subscribe, ask any questions in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.